Pakistan, country in South Asia. Pakistan is a country located in South Asia. It shares borders with India to the east, Afghanistan and Iran to the west, China to the northeast, and the Arabian Sea to the south. It was established as an independent nation on August 14, 1947, following the partition of British India. Pakistan is the sixth most populous country in the world and has a diverse population with various ethnic, linguistic, and religious groups. The official languages are Urdu and English, while several regional languages are also spoken. Islam is the predominant religion in Pakistan, with the majority of the population being Muslims. The country's capital is Islamabad, but the largest city is Karachi. Other major cities include Lahore, Peshawar, and Quetta. Pakistan has a parliamentary democratic system of government, with a president as the head of state and a prime minister as the head of government. The country has faced political and socio-economic challenges throughout its history, including military rule and internal conflicts. The economy of Pakistan is considered a developing economy and is primarily agrarian, with agriculture employing a significant portion of the workforce. The country is also rich in natural resources, including coal, natural gas, and minerals. Additionally, Pakistan has a growing industrial sector, particularly in textiles, manufacturing, and information technology. Pakistan has had a complex relationship with its neighboring countries, particularly India and Afghanistan, and has faced regional security challenges. It is a nuclear-armed nation and has been engaged in territorial disputes, primarily regarding the region of Jammu and Kashmir. Culturally, Pakistan has a rich heritage influenced by various civilizations, including the Indus Valley Civilization, Persian, Central Asian, and Islamic traditions. It has a vibrant art scene, with contributions to literature, music, dance, and film.